On to some breaking news coming in 2 days after income tax officials conducted searches and served notices to 14 top Adityas, who are also known as commission agents in Punjab. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has called out the hypocrisy of the opposition, questioning them over their links to Adityas and how the political parties are milking the opportunity. Remember, this comes after the Federation of Aditya Association of Punjab has also now decided that starting today till 25th of December, they will close all mandis in the state. Quickly taking a word from Amandeep, my colleague, joining us with more details. Amandeep, you have the Union Minister now hitting back at all the political parties who are now trying to side with the Adityas as far as the IT crackdown is concerned. Tell us more.
Yes, exactly, Crispin. The point is that the IT raids and notices being served to the RTIs in Punjab just because there are certain commission agents who are trying to sponsor the farm protest and they are supporting financially. And that is why the Income Tax Department has pitched in and they have served the notices. They have raided the premises of the RTIs. But all the political parties come one side and landed in the support of the RTIs, and they are quoted these IT raids as a politically motivated. And in fact, all the political parties, including Shromani Akali Dal, Aam Aadmi Party, and even the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh quoted it as a politically motivated move. They said now the union government is trying to put pressure on the RTIs to withdraw their support from the farm protest. So that's why RTIs have collectively taken a decision after holding a meeting in Moga. They said all the mandis will be closed for the 4 days from today till 25th of the December. My Vijay can show you, just because we are standing in Kharad grain market mandi, we can show you the visuals that how the entire work is on standstill. All the commission agent shop has been closed in protest of the IT raids. And that is why RTI is saying that we will protest, we will oppose these IT raids just because...
And that's the question that Union Minister Prakash Javadekar is asking. If the Adityas are being raided by the income tax, why are the politicians getting angry? Because you have the Congress and Shiromani Akali Dal in Punjab now saying that the centre is trying to intimidate the commission agents. We'll slip into a short break here, but many thanks, Amandeep. We'll keep coming back to you for more.